Welcome to Nano Scientific Research Center. Linux System Device Driver and Embedded Linux Training Program. In this program, we are going to learn the use of Linux on the personal computer as well as embedded systems. So, the various features of the Linux, how we are using Linux in the embedded systems, that we are going to learn in these programs. As well as we are going to learn this Linux via the various distributions available for the Linux. We are going to learn what Nano Scientific Research Center contribute to the Linux development. Because Nano develop many cross-compiled kernels, bootloaders, as well as various development boards. Based on this, Nano Scientific Research Center develop many projects. So that we are going to learn in this course. Then Nano Embedded Linux Project Development Training Academy. At the Nano Scientific Research Center, we are designing the ARM Linux based project, especially with the image processing, video processing, audio processing and data processing. For the development, we are using the development boards like Friendly-ARM, Raspberry Pi, BeagleBone, etc. And day by day, whatever the recent boards available in the market, those we are using in this development programs. Also, we have one course module to those who are new in this field and they want to learn the Linux. For those people, students, either those are students or working professionals, we are conducting the course based on the 6 modules. These 6 modules we are designed such that it will cover all the aspects of the Linux as well as the ARM. So the first module is the Linux basics. In these modules we are going to teach all the basics of the Linux as well as the basics of the ARM as well as other processors. So once you learn these modules, if anybody learn this module, then he can easily write the Linux programming. Then second module is the Linux kernel programming. In these modules we are teaching the internals of the Linux, how internally the Linux is work, what are the components of the Linux like the process management, I/O management, input-output management, user management, memory management. All these things we are learning in this. So once you learn these modules, then you will get the true knowledge of how internally Linux is working. Then the module 3 is the Linux socket programming. In these modules we are going to learn the internet programming of the Linux, means how the Linux internet architecture is working, how internet works on the Linux, how networking works on the Linux. In this we are learning the TCP/IP module as well as the UDP, Telnet, FTP, all these protocols we are going to learn. So once you learn these modules, then we get idea how the Linux is communicating with the external world. So right from the physical layer to application development layer, everything we are teaching in these modules. The fourth module is the Linux device driver programming. Device driver is now gaining importance in the embedded Linux. So writing a device driver is very special skill. So how to write the device driver, that we are going to teach in this module. The device driver like serial port driver, parallel port driver, USB drivers, pen drive driver, keyboard driver, mouse driver, network drivers, audio driver, video driver, I2C driver, PCI driver, memory technology driver, CAN driver, conditional access network. Those drivers are demanding in the automobile industry. Modbus driver, SD card driver, Bluetooth driver. All these drivers, how they are working, how we are writing, how those drivers are working in the normal computer, how these drivers are working into the embedded systems. Everything we are going to discuss here in these modules. The fifth module is the real-time operating system. In this module, we are going to learn what is meant by real-time operating system, how it is different from general-purpose operating systems, as well as we are going to do the practicals on the RT Linux, which is an open source and free real-time operating systems. Last module is the embedded Linux programming, because the popularity of the Linux is because of the embedded device. Nowadays, gadgets like the smartphones, our tablets, they are using the Linux. That's why because of that the Linux is gaining popularity and they are using the ARM processor. So we are learning this, how the combination of ARM and Linux is useful to design any gadget. So in this study we need the study of the ARM, we need the study of the Linux, as well as we need the study of the cross compilers as well as the many utilities which help in the developing the Linux programming. So embedded Linux is the today's demanding topics in the market. So if anybody having the good knowledge of embedded Linux, then there is a demand, huge demands in the market for that professional. So we are going to learn the total 5 models knowledge we are using here to design the project based on the ARM Linux. That ARM Linux project is called the embedded Linux. So in this we are using many development boards to develop the project based on the various sensors like Zigbee, GPS, GSM, fingerprint modules, cameras, Ethernet, Wi-Fi, touchscreen, ADC, infrared. These all are we are using and developing some meaningful projects. So once you get this 6 module knowledge, then you will be expert in the embedded Linux. So this is our 6 module course which is having duration of 2 months. Thank you for listening these videos.